Okay, this is the first time that we are feeding my son, and we are starting out with these here, the Earth's Best Organic Whole Grain Rice Cereal. So we're gonna see how he likes it. All right, who's a big boy? Hey, where you going?
I need my tablespoon, Mama. I need my tablespoon.
Hi. We got him that bib off of Amazon, so in case he spits up or spills, he doesn't get dirty. It's silicone, so it's easy to wipe.
Here we go.
I'll tell you guys how I like it. It's from where? Evla's Kitchen.
Is it Evla? Oh,
Yeah.
It is. I thought it was Elva.
Let's go. Let's go marching.
Good stuff here.
I know. So 1 tablespoon of a rice cereal. It looks like this.
It's
all powdery.
Just kill me.
Whoa, this is crazy. That much?
Yep.
Oh, look, his little bowl. Just like that. It's all powdery. And then we're gonna mix 3 ounces?
3 to 4 of these
3 to 4 tablespoons.
until it creates the paste.
2. Third one. Gonna mix it.
Ska vi? Just it's okay, it's coming. Mixing it.
He is hungry. Alright, here we go. Okay, who's gonna feed him first? Okay, ready, baby? Say ah! Armaan. You're like, what is that? Good boy! Oh my god, he's... Okay, is he sitting it or...
How's he doing?
He's doing pretty good. You look like a rabbit. Hey, you got a little white beard. Okay, let's do one more.
He's like, what is that?
Taking about this much. Okay. Come on. Woohoo! Your first meal, baby. Good boy. Woohoo! We got the in-laws here. They're rooting for you, baby. Oh, he likes it.
Yeah, you wanna have my face here?
He likes it. Bismillah. Okay. We have Grandpa. Grandpa feeding. Bismillah. Aww. We have the mother, my mother-in-law, his grandma.
Okay, my good do. Open your mouth. Ah.
Bismillah.
Boy, good boy.
Woohoo.
Jangan khai.
Ooh, he's liking it. You like it, huh, baby? Okay, Dad needs to try now because Dad hasn't had a chance. He likes it. Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys, this is the cutest thing. He's like, yeah, give him more. Yeah, maybe. If there's not a lot on the spoon. Wow. Oh my goodness. He's all jumping on it. He's like all over the spoon. Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
Yay! Armaan's first solids. Does that count as solid?
Yeah. Or introduction to solid.
Intro to solids. How'd you like it? How'd you like it? So the way we knew how he was full was he just kept pushing the spoon out with his mouth. And we have a little bit left over. about that much. So, yeah, we gotta wash you, baby. Gotta wash that mouth and maybe change your clothes too, because you got it all over your collar. Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, this is his first time ever laying in the crib. This is the crib right here. This was all just in the crib. So we emptied it out, or I emptied it out. We've been using this bassinet this whole time. But he's getting a little big. And we're using this musical thing right here. He seems pretty happy in it. Are you happy? Armaan? You happy, baby? Oh, I think he loves it in here. He's got so much more room. His arms are hitting the side. And he's just hanging out. Yeah, I think he likes it. Hi, Armaan. Hi, baby John. How are you? You like it? Huh? Are these your new friends? These your new friends, baby? Yeah.
You like it? You like it, don't you? You like it, huh? You a happy baby. You just growing up. You just growing up too fast. You're doing big kid moves, huh? Making big kid moves. Anything is worth that smile. Love you. Love you. Say bye, everybody. Bye, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe to Mom's channel and give it a thumbs up.